Hi guys, my name is Brandon Miller and I'm here with another Flash ActionScript 3 tutorial for developphp.com. Today what I'm going to be showing you how to do is control your tabbing order or your tab index through various forms and fields that you may have made. What I have here is just a whole bunch of text fields, input fields that I've laid out, and I've given them all instances. This is an input text field with the instance name of email input. This one here is username input, phone number input, street address input, city input, and so on and so forth, just with the different, obviously I made those names real easy to understand here. That's basically all that the stage holds. It also has this nice little background here and some static text. Now, just for those of you who didn't know it, all static text is embedded in the Swift when it's output, so this will always look like this no matter what. If you want these fields, however, to have a specific font in there, first thing you have to do is you have to have that font installed on your computer, and then the next thing that you would want to do is you would want to go over here to this area here in your on your properties, and you would go to character embedding, and then you would just choose the different types of characters that you wanted to embed. The most common is uppercase, lowercase, numerals, and punctuation. That way you basically have everything that you would need for some sort of an input field. But we don't need to embed them, so I'm just going to cancel this. And let's head on back over here to our stage and open up the Actions panel. Okay, now here in the Actions panel you can see I've addressed each one of those input fields: email, username, phone number, street address, city, state, zip, and country. What I've done is I've removed all of the text from them, so that way when they display, they're empty. Generally in a form you would put the title of that box next to it. So for your email you would want to prompt the user for their email, then their name, their phone number, so on and so forth, so they understand what they're putting in those boxes. Nobody wants to delete text that's already in a box before they can put their stuff in. And it's real easy to control your tab index down here. Same as up here where I reset the text to be nothing. Just the same thing down here. Email input, and then I do the tab index equals 0. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I went through all of my items and I set them in order. This is the order I want them to go in: email, user, phone, street, city, state, zip, country, 0 through 7. Now when I hit Control Enter to test my movie, you can see all the text has gone away, but when I tab through them, let's go back to the first one, put some text in, hit tab, next one, tab, 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 tab. Goes right through them all, and then it's going to circle right back around to the first one and select all the text that's in there. That's an automatic action. It comes right with setting the tab index. If you want to see a little something different here, just to show you how this order system works, I'm going to reverse the phone number and the street address. Now the phone number is going to become 3 and your street address is going to be your second. Actually, it's going to be your third, but for the going through 0 to 7, it's going to be number 2 here. And then we just go right in, and first one, second one, and there we are right here on our third click. Now 4. And again, let's just go through all this so you can see how it works. See that? Now instead of going in order, it goes in the order that I told it to go in. 0 up here, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very, very simple, very easy to do, and something that will really increase the usability of your programs.